This video demonstrates how you can use metacognition after taking an exam to improve your learning and exam scores. Remember that metacognition is thinking about your thinking. It may seem a bit complicated, but all it means is that you spend time thinking about your learning and how it's working. When you use metacognition, you spend time asking yourself questions and answering them as well. Some questions you may ask are, what do I know? How do I know that I know it? What don't I know? How do I know I don't know it? What do I need to do to learn it? What is the best technique or strategy to use to complete this task or assignment or to learn this information? Do I need help to learn this? To demonstrate the power of metacognition, ask yourself this question. Have I ever gone into an exam thinking I really knew the material and feeling confident that I was going to do well on the exam? And then you received your scores and realized you didn't know as much as you thought you did? Well, you are not alone. Studies show that students who do well in school and use metacognition regularly to assess what they know and don't know can usually predict the grade they receive on an exam by 1 to 2 points before they even take the exam. And they usually predict they will make a lower grade than they actually do. This is because they regularly think about their knowing and learning and are aware of what they know and don't know. Other students who don't use metacognition regularly and therefore don't do as well in school usually predict they will make 20% or more higher on the exam than they actually do. This means they believe they will make a B or C, and in reality, they make a D or F. This is because they don't know that they haven't learned the information because they don't practice metacognition. So what can you do to improve? First, continually assess yourself to see what you know, how and if you are learning, if you can do something differently to learn better, where you messed up and why, and where you did well and why. To do this, you need to think about some of these things as you are studying, learning, and completing assignments. For others, you need to look at completed assignments to see how you did. 2 documents you can use are the exam debrief and the progress evaluation form. For the exam debrief, you should complete this form after every exam. You may have to make an appointment to see your professor during his or her office hours to see your exam, but it will be worth it. Complete the information at the top of the page and be honest. You can improve if you aren't honest with yourself. Then, examine the questions that you missed on the exam. Write the number of the question, how many points you lost, the type of question it was, and why you missed it. Then, complete the other questions. For the last part, fix your test questions. Tell why you answered as you did, what the correct answer is, where you found the correct answer, either in the course guide or the article and the page number, and you can copy this as many times as you need to do all of your missed questions. If you complete this form and send it to your instructor by the Canvas inbox, you will receive 1 point for every question you get correct. The progress evaluation document is designed to be completed halfway through the course, but you can complete it whenever you like. Simply analyze or think about what and how you are currently learning. Then, think about the steps you need to take in order to improve your learning. If you complete this document and email it to your professor via Canvas inbox, you will have 2 points added to your exam grade. Hopefully, this video has helped show you some concrete ways you can use metacognition to improve your learning. If you have any questions, please contact your instructor.